And let's dive into the magical world of fried rice, a dish that's both comforting and endlessly customizable. Uh, Fried rice is the perfect solution when you've got leftover rice and veggies languishing in your fridge. Let's tackle this culinary delight step by step. Um, the heart of great fried rice starts with day-old rice. Fresh rice tends to be too moist and clumpy. Your savior lies in the leftover rice you forgot in your fridge. This dry, slightly hardened rice will give your dish that desirable crispy texture. Start by prepping your vegetables and proteins. Uh, Classic ingredients include onions, peas, and carrots. Dice them up.
If you're feeling fancier, toss in some bell peppers or broccoli.
Keep everything uniform for even cooking and visual appeal. Now onto the protein. Chicken, shrimp, or tofu are excellent choices. Cook your protein separately and set aside. This ensures your fried rice remains sizzling hot and retains its perfect texture without the extra moisture. Pro tip, marinate your protein for extra flavor. Fire up your wok or a large pan. The key here is high heat. Add a generous splash of cooking oil. Canola or peanut oil are ideal choices due to their high smoke point. Wait till it's almost smoking. This is where the magic begins. Toss in your onions first, allowing them to become translucent. Follow with your carrots and bell peppers. Stir continuously to prevent sticking, and give them about 2 minutes to soften slightly. Add in the garlic ginger paste. Let the aroma envelop you. Now, push the veggies to the side and scramble some eggs right in the pan. And this technique gives you the traditional feel and taste that's essential in good fried rice. Blend them smoothly into the veggies once the eggs are set. Introduce the cold rice to the party. Use a spatula to break up any clumps. This helps each grain get a personal touch of heat and seasoning. Trust me, your rice will thank you for the attention to detail. It's soy sauce time. Pour a few tablespoons over the rice for that signature umami flavor. For those fond of a little heat, a touch of sesame oil and dash of chili sauce can elevate your fried rice to new heights. Toss everything together with zeal. Add your prepared protein back into the mix. The key is to keep everything moving, almost like you're performing a culinary dance. The aim is to ensure every single bite bursts with flavor and textural harmony. Taste test for perfection. Adjust seasoning with a splash more soy sauce, if necessary. Garnish with chopped scallions or cilantro for freshness. If you're feeling exotic, a sprinkle of sesame seeds can add a distinctive nutty crunch. Let's not forget the pain points. Avoid overloading your wok. This stops your ingredients from steaming instead of frying. Aim for small batches. And don't skimp on high heat. Low temperatures can turn your masterpiece into a soggy affair. Cooking fried rice is an art form, balancing simplicity with creativity. Follow these steps and you'll have a dish that likely will call like a siren song whenever there is rice in your kitchen. Enjoy the deliciousness, and hey, let me know how yours turned out.